Mount Everest is called Chomolama in Tibetan, which means Holy Mother. Protecting Chomolama helps protect our Mother Earth. The Clean Everest project began in 2016 and has been completed this year after 4 years of collective work. The local authorities from the National Sport Bureau have successfully taken over the waste management system that was set up by Clean Everest team. First, Everest Base Camp, which is located at 5,200 meters, is now clean. There is a strict sorting out between 3 types of waste: household waste, kitchen wastewater, and excrements. It is then collected by trucks. Household waste is thrown in the trash compactor at Jambok next to the base camp and then brought back to lower altitude. Secondly, Advanced Base Camp, which is located at 6,500 meters, is clean as well. Now there is the same system of trash collecting, but this time with yaks. The trash collected at a higher altitude is brought to Advanced Base Camp and sorted out there. Therefore, this camp is the cornerstone of the waste management system. This year, despite erratic weather patterns, everything went smoothly. Moreover, bathrooms have been installed at Camp 1 at 7,028 meters. Excrements containers are brought down to lower altitude. All this work has been done by paid professionals under the auspices of the local authorities, who have done a wonderful job. Furthermore, the competent authorities have adopted drastic measures in order to preserve the Himalayas. Closing Mount Everest to tourists, limitation of the number of expeditions per year, an environmental tax of $1,500 per mountaineer, and not a simple deposit. Besides, operations called Cash for Trash have been organized since the beginning of Clean Everest. Tibetan and Sherpa Nepalese mountain professionals who bring trash back from over 6,500 meters are allocated a remuneration based on kilos brought back. This year, the operation was once again led by Tashi Tsering, a Tibetan mountain guide and photograph. Proceeds from the sales of his book, The Son of Himalaya, are used to fund the Cash for Trash operation. Thanks to local actors' hard work, the mountain is now clean and mentalities are changing already. Of course, all this couldn't have happened without the help of our sponsors who have been supported Clean Everest. Now the Clean Everest mission continues on the other summits of Tibet under the supervision of the local NGO Himalaya Foundation. The work on changing mentalities is not over yet. The Clean Everest mission has been successfully completed. Now, the Everest Awareness mission begins. Everest Awareness' first goal is to make the locals aware of the pollution on Mount Everest. Everest Awareness' key partner is the Lhasa Mountain Museum. The Mountain Museum is currently preparing a permanent exhibition on the protection of Mount Everest and on environmental protection in general, under the supervision of the Tibetan Museum curator Chaygneaud-Dupuy. According to Chaygneaud-Dupuy, the communication about Mount Everest will also help make locals aware of pollution in general. The exhibition will present a variety of content. Educational videos, including videos shot on Mount Everest starring the Yeti, the Himalayas mascot. Educational workshops, haute couture dresses made of trash collected on Mount Everest, designed by the Tibetan curator Chaygneaud-Dupuy, whom is also a fashion stylist, and fashion design students of Tibet University. Exhibition in July 2019 in the Mountain Museum of prototypes of commercial products made from trash collected on Mount Everest. Exhibition in August 2019 of contemporary artworks created by art students from Tibet University. Sales of the book The Son of Himalaya. The second step in Everest Awareness project is to publicize the issue of pollution on Mount Everest in order to make future mountaineers from China and the world aware of the pollution in advance and hopefully prevent upstream the pollution from happening. The media coverage focuses on the national level, in particular on Chinese. The media coverage also focuses on the international level through interviews, press articles, and radio reports about the project. After many efforts, our mountain finally regained its original purity. We have to keep it that way. Asian inhabitants' fates depend on the Himalayas' water.